again.
Look at that, it's so cool, yeah.
Is that all that does?
See the numbers come up
What
here?
did you say else? I don't
Yeah,
know.
numbers come up there.
We got the
Take text
instructions
to
somewhere.
counting, find the object,
Yeah, I can
comparison. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there.
Okay.
Which number is the same?
I want to play with this. We got it.
Alexis.
Try again.
It's gonna need a little direction on it. Huh?
Yeah, it's alright. How to play. Oh, he plays the game and then... He'll pick it up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's something to grow into.
Well, he plays with the iMac at home. Does the mouse thing,
That's what I
hits the
was
keyboard.
thinking, you know, we saw it and said, hey, you know.
Wow, look at that, Daniel. What's he doing?
Hard drive's crashing.
Good.
That's nice. Bad.
Choose an activity.
So we're going to choose something there.